we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 5075M tractor, four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H260 quick attach front loader. The tractor has just over 300 hours on it. It is a one-owner tractor, super clean, super sharp tractor. It is prior to the Tier 4 emissions, so no worries on that. It's got the Deluxe operator platform, the full flat deck with the fender extensions and the extra lights, the upgraded seat. Again, it does come with the H260 quick attach front loader, global quick attach for your bucket connection, bucket looks new, front grill guard, paint's in excellent condition on the tractor. Front tires do show a little wear, but they are still good. Back tires are real good, 16/930s, 2 sets of wheel weights on it. Tires are loaded as well, and again, it does have the fender extensions. It's got the buttons back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms, 540 and 540 EPTO. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, and again, super clean tractor, very nice. It's been stored inside, it's been well cared for, and again, it does have the full flat operator platform. This is the Deluxe operator platform. It's got the control console over there to the right, power reverser up here on the console, so you can change direction without clutching. Tractor is for sale at Mass Tractor Sales. We do offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.